Community Health Education Emergency Rescue Services o CHEERS ay isang private registered corporation at inorganisa ng tatlong healthcare professional. Ang CHEERS ay isang American Heart Association International Training Center, isang Independent American Safety and Health Institute, at Emergency Care and Safety Institute Education Center in the Philippines na nagbibigay ng ECSI at CPR courses para sa mga healthcare providers at lay rescuers. Nagbibigay ang CHEERS ng mga serbisyo sa mga mamamayan gaya ng basic first aid, basic life support, maging ang Advance Cardiovascular Life Support. Mayroon ding mga programa gaya ng Paramedics course at Public Access Defribilation Program. Iniendorso at kinikilala ng Department of Health maging ng Technical Education and Skills Development Authority o TESDA ang CHEERS sa pagbibigay ng mga training sa mga ospital, mga kolehiyo, universidad, LGUs at ng mga non-government organization. Ang CHEERS ay naglalayong makapagbigay ng emergency medical services sa ating bansa at pasado sa international standard nito, gayundin ang pagpapataas ng uri ng pagpapahalaga ng mga Pilipino sa buhay at maging confident ito sa pagligtas ng buhay sa paraan ng pag-aaral. Alamin ang iba pang serbisyong hatid ng Community Health Education Emergency Rescue Services sa isang oras na talakayan kasama si Miss Elaine Fuentes. Ako si Ella Husay at APRUB sa amin ang organisasyong ito.
Nako, nahuli tuloy sa camera na nagkukwentuhan na kami dito because our guests for today are not really new to the program. Matagal na nating kaibigan at katuwang sa pagsagip ng buhay as well as preserving yung properties at saka yung well-being. Kaya hindi na natin pagtatagalin. Andito po si Miss Sandy Montano, ang Vice President sa International Affairs ng CHEERS at si Colonel Alejandro Teves Escanio, ang Founding Chair ng Private Sector Disaster Management Sector o PSDMN ng CHEERS. Magandang gabi po sa inyong dalawa.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at sa ating mga manonood. Good evening.
Okay. Kanina, nung nagkita kami off-cam, ay sabi ni Ma'am Sandy, marami kaming pagkukwentuhan ni Colonel Escanio. Pero bago kami magkwentuhan, bati ka muna, sir, sa ating mga tagapanood.
Good afternoon to everybody.
Good evening po, sir.
It's a privilege to be in this program, and we thank you for inviting us here.
Okay. We've heard so many good things about you and the activities that you've been involved with, particularly dito sa CHEERS. But before that, kasi in case na meron tayong mga taga-subaybay na ngayon lang, bago lang sa kanilang pandinig ang CHEERS, Ma'am Sandy, ano ang ibig sabihin ng CHEERS?
Ang ibig pong sabihin ng CHEERS ay Community Health Education Emergency Rescue Services. Ang amin pong ginagawa ay napakaseryoso. It's a life-threatening activity. Pero gusto po naming maimulat ang ating mga manonood na pwede po tayo maging masaya. By one way of saying that we can educate people to save lives by having CHEERS in your life.
Yung word na o yung terminolohiya na emergency medical services sa ibang bansa, yan parang household term na. Dito sa atin, parang ngayon lang namumulat yung ating mga kababayan doon sa terminolohiya na yan. Dati kasi parating ospital lang, doktor lang, nurse lang. Sa dami ng bumibisita sa atin dito, na bagyo, na may lindol pa, tapos yan, si Bulkang Mayon ay medyo nagpaparamdam din sa atin. Pumapasok dito yung kahalagahan ng emergency medical services. Now, si Sir, even before CHEERS, ay meron na siyang advocacy. Would you tell us more about your advocacy, sir?
Well, it's more really on volunteerism and doing, giving service because you love doing it. So that's how volunteerism should really be. And that's why even if it's hard work, we're happy because we love what we're doing.
Right. And speaking of volunteerism, I was asking the Colonel kanina, are you retired now? And your answer is?
Never.
I'm a reservist officer, so I'm never retired.
Yes. Always in service.
Always in service.
Okay. Nasa dami-dami, sir, ng pwede nating paghandugan ng ating volunteerism. Why did you choose this particular area, na area din ni Miss Sandy? I already know the background of Miss Sandy, how she really went into this. Gusto ko naman marinig yung storya mo, sir.
Well, actually, our volunteerism is to be where you are needed.
Okay.
And this is where you are needed the most. And